So this is a side desk or a over the bed desk. It has wheels. It's adjustable. You could adjust the width and you could also adjust the height. So this is what it looks like. It's wood. It has this little thing back here. And what's pretty awesome about it, it has 2 plugs and 2 USB ports, which power off just 1 plug. So here it is. Really nice. So it works great on the side of the bed also. And here it is over the bed. This is a full-size bed. So you could adjust this to fit a king or a smaller bed. Really convenient. And when you're done with it, you could just roll it out of the way since there's wheels at the bottom. Looks really nice and really easy to assemble.